Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video from BioBuddy, and in this video we will be moving forward with the next part of our mollusca. Right? We had done general characteristics in the previous video beta. Now we are moving on to the next part, that is our physiology. Very simple again. Same sequence, same pattern as we are following in the last videos. Right? So let's get started without wasting further time. I just want to say that if you haven't seen the general characteristics video, what you need to do is you need to go and watch it first, because in this I will be explaining certain characteristic features which have been detailedly explained in the previous video. So if you want to know, I will not be explaining what these particular features are because they have already been explained. So if you want to know that, first watch the previous videos in which I have explained each and everything. Now I'll just be covering the topics alongside their headings. Right? So let's get started. Better digestion here is complete. Why? Because obviously in the previous video we had studied that they have tube within tube body plan. If tube within tube body plan is there, that means what? Two openings are there, the mouth and the anus. If mouth and anus both are present, digestion will be what? Complete, simple. Then extracellular digestion is taking place. That means digestion of the food which is going inside is taking place outside the cells. It is not taking inside the cells. Then next is radula. Radula is what? Again a rasping organ which is present, associated on the head and associated with the digestive system. I have told you this in the previous video. Then respiration takes place through gills. Gills, I have given you a diagram in the previous video about the diagram of your snail, in which I have explained where these gills are present. These feather-like gills are known as ctenidia. Ctenidia, in case of aquatic organisms and in terrestrial organisms, what will help? The lungs are only helping. So they will perform what? Pulmonary respiration. Okay, the organisms present on the land, they are performing pulmonary respiration, whereas the organisms present in water, they are helping, the gills are helping them for breathing, that is with the help of ctenidia. Ctenidia has one more function, we have already studied that in the previous video beta, that is the function of excretion. Very simple. Then circulation here is open also, closed also. Open circulatory system is also there and closed is also there. I'll tell you one thing now. There are two types of molluscas, non-cephalopod mollusca and cephalopod mollusca. Okay, so cephalopod mollusca is beta, the example is of the octopus. What do you see in an octopus? A head is there, from the head there are legs coming out. It seems like that. Right? So the structure in which it seems like the head is directly giving birth or giving rise to the legs, those type of organisms in which that type of arrangement is seen beta, they are known as cephalopod mollusks. Right? So the cephalopod mollusks are showing open circulatory system. Okay? So cephalopod mollusks are what beta? They are showing open circulatory system is present in non-cephalopod mollusks. Sorry, I said the wrong thing before. It was in non-cephalopod mollusks, the open circulatory system is present and closed circulatory system is present in cephalopod. So cephalopods are those in which the head is seen, that the head, from the head only the legs are coming out. That type of arrangement is seen in cephalopods. They will show a closed circulatory system. Now here the color of blood. The blood present here is beta blue in color. Why? Because there is a pigment called as the hemocyanin. Hemocyanin. It is a copper containing pigment. Hemocyanin is what? It is a copper containing pigment which is giving a blue color to your blood. It gives blue color to your blood. Fine. Then excretion is again taking place with the help of your gills, right? What is the name of that gill? Ctenidia. The nervous system beta, it is again a very simple nervous system is present in their body. Okay, very simple nervous system is present in their body. They have a collection of cell body and ganglia, and the nerves, they come through it. Okay, nerves and ganglia both are present and both of them together make up a very simple nervous system. Then sensory system में बेटा क्या होता है? They have sensory tentacles first at their head, which are having eyes in it, right? Obviously tentacles help in the detection and eyes help in direction, in the vision, and osphradium is also there. Now, we were talking about osphradium, right? So osphradium is a very unique feature which they have. So osphradium, first of all, let me tell you where is this osphradium present. It is present in the mantle cavity itself, along with the gills, right? The ctenidia which is present alongside osphradium is present. Right. Now another feature here is that what is the function of osphradium? It is basically helping in detection of the chemical nature of water. Right. It detects what is the chemical nature of water. And eye statistics I have already told you. Then beta, reproduction can be unisexual, it can be bisexual. Okay. Fertilization both internal and external takes place. Development usually it is indirect. Both direct and indirect can happen, but usually it is indirect. That means they are oviparous egg-laying organisms. Now I am making some space to write down the examples. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, so the first example is Pila pinctada. Pila pinctada. Okay, first of all, before writing all the examples, I want to say that make sure you are learning these examples by heart because they are very, very important. They are very, very important. Make sure and note down side by side. Okay, so till now I've written Pila, pinctada, sepia, loligo, octopus, aplysia, Okay, these are the examples. Okay, now wait. Now you also have to write their common names. First is the apple snail. Okay, Pila is also known as the apple snail. Apple snail. Then what is pinctada? Pinctada is the pearl oyster. Pearl oyster is known as pearl oyster. Then next is sepia. Sepia is what beta? The cuttlefish. It is known as the cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. Then next is loligo. Loligo is also known as the squid. The squid. Squid. Then next is octopus. Octopus is also known as the devilfish. It is also known as the devilfish. Okay. Then aplysia is also known as the seahorse. Aplysia is also known as seahorse. Okay. These are the examples. Make sure you are learning these examples by heart. Okay. Make sure you are learning these examples by heart. Very, very important. Okay. Any problem in this video, any problem in the content, any problem with your doubts, kuch bhi problem hai beta, you can put down in the comment section below. Stay tuned for the next video and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Till then, take care.